Hi, this is Dr. Serena Satcher, and I'm talking about stress this month. Are there any varieties of stress that would require immediate medical attention? Well, I can think of just a couple of situations. And if the stress is resulting in panic disorder or anxiety that's poorly controlled, or blood pressure or blood sugars that are out of control, or if the person is having significant problems with sleep, that can affect their mental health and also affect other issues like blood pressure and heart disease if they're not able to sleep. So that may necessitate immediate medical attention. Stress may cause mental health conditions to worsen. So if there are signs of suicidality or doing harm to others, then that person needs to be referred for immediate help. And if you're watching this and you're feeling stressed, I would recommend that you call your mental health professional. If you're feeling suicidal, then call 911, or you're feeling like you want to do harm to someone else, call 911.